The year was 2021, and the world held its breath as the Tokyo Olympics marked a triumphant return after the pandemic. But it wasn't just a comeback for the Games. It was a historic moment for track and field, saved by Jamaica's unstoppable trio, Elaine Thompson-Herah, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, and Shericka Jackson. Dubbed the Big Three, these legendary sprinters didn't just dominate the track. They rewrote history, sweeping medals and breaking records at the Olympics and beyond. But as the 2024 Paris Olympics unfolded, injuries and setbacks left fans wondering, was this the end of an era? Or can the Big Three rise again for one final glorious season? In this video, we dive into their incredible journey, their challenges, and whether they can reclaim their thrones at the 2025 World Championships in Tokyo. Will they make history one last time? Stay tuned to find out. After the pandemic, it's safe to say that track and field needed saving, but no one thought Jamaica would have had all the power needed to tackle such a tedious job. Elaine Thompson-Herah, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, and Shericka Jackson became a united force like Bob Marley's I3s to save the sport of track and field. All three ladies began their journey at the 2021 Jamaican Olympic trials in the 100 meters. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce won the 100 meters with 10.71 seconds, Shericka Jackson in second with 10.82 seconds, and Elaine Thompson-Herah in third with 10.84 seconds to rule out an effective top three.
Set positions, they're sent away. A good start for Ashanti Moore. Brianna Williams gets up well. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce now steps forward. The world champion has the better of the Olympic champion who's battling, and then comes through was Shericka Jackson, 10.72.
But this was just the beginning. The same women swept the 200 meters in the same order, with Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce running a personal best of 21.79 seconds, Shericka Jackson at 21.82 seconds, and Elaine Thompson-Herah at 22.02 seconds.
The set position, bang off now. Fraser-Pryce got a great start. Thompson-Herah is up and into her running as well. Thompson-Herah and Fraser-Pryce now, they spring off the top bend. Those are the big two on the outside trying to make a stout race of it as well. Shericka Jackson now, look for that 400 meter strength to come forward. She's finishing fast and furious, but Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the 100 meters champion, is the 200 meters champion. 21.77 seconds, the flash time. Jackson settled for second, just like it was in the 100 meters final. That's the order of the finish in the 200 meters, 21.79.
Based on their performance at the Jamaican Olympic trials, the world thought that at least two of them would have been on the 100-meter podium at the Tokyo Olympics. This was so because Sha'Carri Richardson of the United States dominated over the 100 meters, including a wind-aided 10.64 seconds at the US Olympic trials. However, it was revealed less than a month before the Tokyo Games that Sha'Carri Richardson would have been banned for the duration of the Olympics because of cannabis. This worked out well for the Jamaican women, as Elaine Thompson-Herah created history by becoming the fourth woman behind Wyomia Tyus, Gail Devers, and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce to win consecutive Olympic 100 meters titles, as she won gold 5 years prior at the Games in Rio. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was second and became the most decorated athlete in the 100 meters because of her gold medal run at the 2008 Beijing Games, 2012 London Games, and bronze at the 2016 Rio Games. Shericka Jackson got bronze and became the first woman since the late Irina Zawinska to earn Olympic medals in the 100 meters and 400 meters. She earned a 400-meter bronze 5 years prior at the 2016 Rio Games. This performance by the Jamaican women earned them the nickname the Big Three. To show that their Olympic performance was no fluke, all three women competed at the Prefontaine Classic 2 weeks after the Tokyo Olympics. This meet saw Elaine Thompson-Herah running the second fastest ever, 10.54 seconds. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was in second with 10.73 seconds, and Shericka Jackson in third with 10.76 seconds.
Away first time, this time, and Thompson-Herah into her running, fourth one left. Thompson-Herah also going very well. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Richardson's nowhere. What a performance there. It's the fastest in the world this year, 10.54 the winning time.
Most fans dub this race the unofficial world record race because of the controversy surrounding the late Florence Griffith Joyner's 1988 10.49 seconds at the US Olympic trials. A few months later, the Big Three created history at the Eugene World Championship by becoming the first country to sweep the medals in the women's 100 meters, with Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce running a then championship record of 10.67 seconds. Shericka Jackson earned silver with 10.73 seconds, and Elaine Thompson-Herah with bronze at 10.81 seconds.
Watch for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce getting out well, and she has done. She's bidding for a 5th world title, and she's going to do it. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
This was quite a celebratory moment for Jamaica, and it looked as if the Big Three would reign forever, but things began to diminish. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support matters a lot. Thank you. Now back to the discussion. For the first time since 2015, Elaine Thompson-Herah missed making the individual team for the World Championship as she finished 5th with 11.06 seconds at the Jamaica National Championship. However, despite this, she ran in the semi-final of the 4x100 meters relay at the Budapest World Championship. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce suffered an injury that 2023 season but still earned a bronze medal in the 100 meters at the Budapest World Championship. She got injured again on the second leg of the 4x100 meters relay final but earned a silver medal. Shericka Jackson, on the other hand, had the season of her life as she earned a silver medal in the 100 meters and ran the second fastest 200 meters ever with her 21.41 seconds to win gold and silver in the 4x100 meters relay.
Shericka Jackson coming up onto the shoulder of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. At last, it's Jackson's turn to be the queen of sprinting. 21.46. She becomes the fastest living woman on earth.
To end the season, Shericka Jackson became the first woman behind Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce to win the 100 meters and 200 meters at the Diamond League final. The 2024 Paris Olympics season had fans enthusiastic about the Big Three returning to the podium, but things began going downhill for the trio. Elaine Thompson-Herah had to pull from the Jamaican Olympic trials due to injury. Shericka Jackson won the 100 meters and 200 meters at the Jamaican Olympic trials, and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce finished 3rd in the 100 meters. Weeks before the Paris Olympics, Shericka Jackson pulled up in the 200 meters in Hungary, which saw her being pulled off the track, but she still managed to show up in Paris for the Olympics. However, she pulled out of the Olympics just moments before the 200-meter heats. For Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, she ran the heats of the 100 meters and could not show up for the semi-final due to injury. The season ended for the Big Three, leaving fans with many questions. Now, all in their 30s, it would be wrong to say that the Big Three is approaching the end of their careers. But can they return as a group to dominate for one final season? The 2025 World Championship will be in Tokyo, the place where they first created history, and that alone could be the added motivation they need to make history once more. The 2025 track and field season is quite an extensive one, and the world should be on the lookout for the Big Three once more. Do you think the Big Three can come back for one final season? Who of the three is most likely to have their best comeback? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Check out this video on the battle of the Big Three Fraser-Pryce, Jackson and Thompson-Herah Jamaican National Championship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in Caribbean athletics. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.